preschoolers, it's Miss Emily. Hope you all are having a lot of fun, special home time with your families, but I miss you all a lot, and I'm thinking about all of you every single day. Today, I'm going to do group time, and we're going to make some fun slime. You can watch me make this slime, and maybe you can make this slime at home with your families. But first, we're going to sing our thumb song. Ready? So get your thumbs out. Our thumbs go up, up, up. Our thumbs go down, down, down. Our thumbs go out, out, out. Our thumbs go in, in, in. Our thumbs go round, round, round. All right, preschoolers. Now this time we're going to yell our thumb song and make it very, very loud and turn the volume up. But remember, when we yell this song, we don't want to scream it because we don't want to hurt our ears. Ready? Our thumbs go up, up, up. Our thumbs go down, down, down. Our thumbs go out, out, out. Our thumbs go in, in, in. Our thumbs go round, round, round. Okay, preschoolers, now we're going to turn our voices all the way down to a whisper. We're going to whisper our thumb song. Ready? Our thumbs go up, up, up. Our thumbs go down, down, down. Our thumbs go out, out, out. Our thumbs go in, in, in. Our thumbs go round, round, round. All right, preschoolers, now we're going to turn our voices all the way off. Be as quiet as you can and ready. All right, good job, preschoolers. Now we're going to take some time to make some fun slime. You need a couple things for your slime. You need some Elmer's glue, can be clear or white. You need some baking soda. You need some contact solution. You need some food coloring. And I'm going to use blue food coloring because blue is my favorite color. And you need a bowl to put all your ingredients in so we can mix them all up and make our slime. First, you take the whole bottle of glue and pour it right into your bowl. Ooh, it's really squishy and gross. All right, preschoolers, and then we're going to measure out our ingredients using the volume. To measure volume, we're going to be using a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Measuring volume means you take how much of something holds. So a tablespoon is bigger and it holds more materials than a teaspoon, which is smaller. So first we're going to need half a teaspoon, so the small one, of baking soda. So you're going to fill up your teaspoon halfway and pour it right into your glue. Next we need your contact solution. You need 1.5 tablespoons of contact solution. So you're going to take the big spoon and fill it up one time and then another time, but the second time you only fill it up halfway. One and a half. All right, so I'm just going to mix it all up before I put my food coloring in. You can see it's getting kind of slimy and gross. Gotta mix it really good. Ooh. Be careful not to spill it everywhere because it's really sticky and gross. Getting slimier. So if it's still runny and slimy like this, you put more contact solution in to make it solidify a little bit more and make it less runny. So I'm going to put some more contact solution in. Getting more solid. turn from really clear to kind of white. I think when we added the white baking soda in, it turned the solution a little more white than clear. All right, preschoolers, there we go. Some runny, gooey slime. Now I'm going to add my blue food coloring in to make it nice and blue. You only need a couple drops because food coloring is really strong. There we go. Some fun, gooey slime. When you're done making this and playing with it, make sure you wash your hands really good because it's pretty gross. All right, preschoolers, so I just taught you how to make slime using glue, contact solution, and food coloring, and baking soda. This time, I'm going to teach you how to make slime using cornstarch, water, and food coloring. This time I'm going to use green to make some nice green slime. This one's a lot easier, and it might be easier to do at home with your families. I'm just going to carefully pour some cornstarch into our bowl. Careful, it comes out really quick. I made a big mess. And you just slowly add water a little bit at a time and mix it up until you get the consistency you want. That just means it feels how you want it to feel. So adding water drop by drop and mixing it together until you get the consistency you want. Need a lot more water. Kind of hard to mix. You might need mommy's or daddy's help to help you mix this up. Here you go. We have some Ronnie slime. But when you touch it in the pan or in the bowl, it feels pretty hard. Nice and gooey, fun slime. Now I just need my fun food coloring. I'm going to put a couple drops of green food coloring in to finish up our slime. Mix that all in there. And there you go, you have some fun green slime to play with at home. So a note to the parents is the food coloring gets a little messy and it'll stain their hands, so that's probably what they need help with the most. But other than that, it's pretty doable for everybody. Missing you all and hope you're having a good time at home.